Hi, I'm Valentino Rossi, and if you like our content, like and subscribe for more.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me.
Welcome back to my channel Z motoGP. Here I will tell you about motoGP and other races, which are actually trusted and up to date. If you want to receive information back from us, please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Thanks a lot. Lenovo Ducati racer Jack Miller managed to become the fastest in the San Marino 2022 MotoGP qualifying session. Meanwhile, standings leader Fabio Quartararo is still stuck in 8th position behind his teammate Franco Morbidelli. When the Q2 session entered the final 3 minutes, Jack Miller became the fastest racer, but not long ago Francesco Bagnaia managed to displace him. However, Johann Zarco also helped heat up the race for pole position after being the fastest in the final 2 minutes. In the end, Jack Miller won pole position with a time of 1 minute 31.899 seconds, followed by Francesco Bagnaia and Enea Bastianini. Jack Miller successfully recorded the best lap of 1 minute 31.899 seconds, which led him to reach pole position for the MotoGP San Marino 2022. Jack Miller successfully recorded the best lap of 1 minute 31.899 seconds, which led him to reach pole position for the MotoGP San Marino 2022.